In this video, I'll show you how you can reach your customers with your first SMS campaign and engage with them on a personal level. We have two ways to do this, either by creating a workflow or by sending a mass SMS. To do this, navigate to Contacts. From here, we can select our contacts by using the checkboxes on the left-hand side or using the one at the top to select all of our contacts. Then we can click Send SMS. Click Proceed. Select your phone number that you've already set up in settings, and then we can type our message here. If we'd like to include custom values like the customer's name, we can navigate to Custom Values on the right-hand side, then select our value category, and then select the value itself. Using values like this will automatically pull the custom value from each contact so you can customize each message to your customer. Alternatively, you can create a text snippet to send from an SMS template. To do this, navigate to Marketing, then head to Snippets. From this screen, we can click Add Snippet in order to create a pre-built SMS by clicking Add Text Snippet. From here, we can give our snippet a name and then type our message below. For example, let's create an SMS to send to our customers after they opt in to view our newsletter. Now, once we've decided that we're going to use this text, we can go ahead and click Save on the right-hand side. You can then either send all at once, send them at a scheduled time, or send them in drip mode. Sending in drip mode will allow you to send your message in batches, so that way you can spread out your messages across a designated period of time. This can help avoid errors and avoid account restrictions. To use drip mode, simply select a time and date, click the checkbox, designate your batch quantity, select your repeat time frame by entering a value here, and then selecting between days, hours, minutes, and seconds. You can also specify your campaign to only send on specific days and also to only process between specific sets of hours. When you're settled on your settings, then you can click Send SMS. To see the status of your campaign, you can navigate to the bulk actions screen and view your bulk SMS here, along with its status, the day it was created, and its other statistics. You can also use the three dots on the right-hand side to pause, cancel, and edit your campaign. Alternatively, we can also create an SMS campaign using a workflow. To do this, navigate to Automations, and then clicking Create Workflow from Scratch. We can add our opt-in trigger here by using a form submitted trigger, selecting our form, and then clicking Save Trigger. Then for our action, we'll use Send SMS, and rather than writing our message here, we'll click Select Templates and select our snippet that we just created, and then click Save Action. Just like that, we can toggle this from draft to publish and click Save. And now we've got our very first SMS campaign. This will allow us to engage with our customers on a personal level and move them throughout our pipeline. As always, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.